This is my current ride, AZ1. AZ stands for A to Z Bus Sales. Number one, we got two of these. It's a lease bus. It's a gasoline operated Bluebird. Who knew they still made these things? It's Little Fir School District. This sucker here is long. From the rear axle, middle of the rear axle to the back end is 13 feet. Yeah. You're very aware of what you're driving when you drive this. When you drive our electric buses, our diesels, or even our CNG buses are all the same model with Bluebird All-American, and there is no tail swing to speak of. This thing here, the crossover mirrors are ridiculously far off the front bumper. Show you the engine compartment. Got a big Bluebird logo on the front. I know it's dirty. It's on the list to be washed on Saturday. Here's your engine compartment. Lots of foil. Everything's clean. This thing was delivered to us on September 1st, and we've been using it ever since. In fact, I've been the sole driver since September 1st. You get to the left side of the engine compartment. Oil dipstick, air compressor, alternator, radiator, newfangled radiator. The filler's over there and the top is sealed. Power steering fluid down there. Right about there. Windshield washing fluid, air cleaner, no frills air cleaner, little screen here to keep all the bugs out. There's the front of the engine. I don't have a front license plate yet, but I do have my temporary California driver's license plate on the front. Have a little release here. If you don't flip that, you can stand here all day long trying to close this thing. Around the side again. A little bit. There we are. This is a 75 passenger conventional. We have one stop arm on the side because this is California. And when we cross the children with our stop sign, that makes for two. Don't know the logic in that, but it's California. Come around to the back. Camera's a black thing below the clearance lights. Again, it's a dirty bus, but like I said, I'm on the watch list for Saturday. Gas tank is in the back, between the frames. Finally figured out where to park at the gas station. Get it perfect every time. We have two storage bays. They're very small, but what's nice about them is, since my bus doesn't have a trash can, I put my trash can in one, and then the second bay is available for whatever. There's the inside. I did another video on the inside of the bus, so we don't have to go inside right now, but this is AZ1.